EVS online classes, and I am your Swapna teacher, and our subject is EVS. Today we are going to learn a new topic, kids. Shall we start? Yes, our topic is birds. Kids, can I fly in the sky? Yes? No. Why? Why? Because I am not having wings and we are not bird. Birds have wings. And kids, there are different types of birds in the world and with the different colors. Kids, have you seen a bird flying in the sky? Yes? Have you seen the bird in your surroundings? Yes. Yes, we also, I think, we have seen, yes. But today, let us enter to the magical world of birds. Shall we go? Yes? Are you ready? Yes? Come on, start. First bird today we were learning about. First bird is, which one is? I think everyone know. Yes, this is peacock. And kids, peacock likes to dance when it is rainy. When it is raining, peacock likes to dance. Okay, see, I think now it's visible for you. See, this is peacock with huge feathers and it is very colorful. When it is dancing, it will look very beautiful. And kids, it rains. When it rains, peacocks dance with the feathers. Have you seen, kids, peacock when it is dancing in the rain? Yes? Yes. It will look beautiful. Yes, na? Yes. This is peacock. And kids, this is the national bird. And this is the national bird of India. Don't forget, this is the national bird. We will go to next. Next is, which bird? You all know this bird. Yes, peacock. I forgot, this is peacock. No, this is parrot. Parrot is a pet animal and some people, it lives in a cage. Some people keep this parrot at home in cage. Yes, and kids, some parrots will talk also. This is parrot. See, it is green in color and it is curved red color, big. I think everyone have seen this parrot. Yes, kids, in your surroundings. Yes, yes. And this is one of the beautiful bird. Now you have to remember, kids, this is parrot. This is a pet animal and it can also talk. Yes, don't forget. Next one is, see, which one is this? Which bird? Crow. Crow. Which color is the crow? Black color. And kids, crow is known as clever bird. Don't forget, it is a clever bird. Crow is a clever bird. And kids, how it sounds? Cow, cow, cow. And we have also a story, Thirsty Crow. Yes, I think you heard about the crow story. Yes, yes. Now, kids, the last bird, owl. And this owl is having one special. What is that? Can I say? Yes, I will say. You see, owl at night time it can see. When it is dark also it can see everyone. And kids, in daytime it sleeps and in night it will be wake up. And in any darkness, when the current also will not be there, it can see everyone, kids, in darkness. Which bird can see in the darkness means owl. The answer is owl. Okay, don't forget, kids, this owl can see everyone in the darkness also. Okay, now kids, we learnt about 4 birds. You know, kids, by learning this bird about these birds, I remembered a rhyme. Actually, I forgot. Shall we sing now? Yes? Are you ready, kids? Start. This is a Hindi rhyme about parrot. Okay, start. मैं तोता हरे रंग का हूँ दिखता मैं तोता हरे रंग का हूँ दिखता चोंच मेरी लाल रंग की मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता चोंच मेरी लाल रंग की मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता मैं तोता नील गगन में हूँ उड़ता मैं तोता नील गगन में हूँ उड़ता फल सब्जी दाने खाता मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता फल सब्जी दाने खाता मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता मैं तोता हरे रंग का हूँ दिखता टुमक में चलता हूँ मैं मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता टुमक में चलता हूँ मैं मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता Claps! Hope you enjoyed a lot. Yes, I enjoyed a lot. Today we have learned about 4 birds. Shall we do one quick recap? And kids, don't go anywhere. You are having one surprise at the end of the class. Open your semester 1 course book with the help of your parents. Page number 92. Okay, semester 1 course book, page number 92. Kids, see, this is your new lesson in EVS, birds. Today we learnt about these 4 birds. Once we'll do quick recap and we'll go with the surprise. Okay, peacock. Now tell me, kids, peacock is which bird is the national bird? Come on, think it. Just now we learned. Yes, very good. Peacock. And which bird dances in the rain? Tell me, kids. Think. You know, just now we learned. Yes, very good. Peacock. Peacock dances in the rain and it is a national bird. Next. Which bird can talk? Yes, kids, can any guesses? Yes, I want the answer, you know. Yes, very good. Parrot. Parrot can talk and it is a pet animal. Very good, kids. Now we will go to the next. Which animal? Crow. Now tell me, which is the clever bird, kids? Just now we learned. Yes, very good. Crow is a clever bird. Okay, this is a black in color. This bird is black in color. Now next, the last. Which bird can see in the darkness? Very good. Owl. Owl can see in night times also when it is darkness. And it sleeps in daytime. And in night time it will be wake up. Yes? Don't forget, kids. We have done our recap. Okay, these 4 birds, today we learned about these 4 birds. Okay, in next class we will learn about other birds. Okay, now it's the time for surprise. Okay, kids, today our surprise is, tell me, what is this? Yes, peacock. See, with using pencil and sketches, I have drawn a peacock. But no feathers. What to do? Now, we will keep the feathers with our thumbprint. Are you ready? Come on. Parents, please help the kids to do this activity. Shall we start our activity? Come on, kids. Kids, for this activity, we need one earbud and 2 colors. Okay, 2 set of colors. First I am taking this green color, kids. Open. Take your thumb and dip into the color. Dip into the color and you have to Do only with the thumb like this. See, now these are feathers. These are feathers of peacock. We are doing thumbprint. Hope you'll enjoy a lot by doing this. Yes, now one more line. Okay, kids, take the color, dip your finger into the color and do. Hope you'll enjoy. Parents, please help them. Yes, I think we are done with this color. Now, kids, I'll go to the one more color. We will go to yellow. See, yellow color. Now, dip the finger into the yellow and just finger tap with finger. Just we'll do one more print like this. For every feather we are doing one more. Kids, this is your today's activity. I think you're enjoying a lot today. Okay, we have done with our thumbprint peacock. Yes, but the last is left. I am going with blue. While doing, be careful, kids. See, I have taken one earbud and I have dipped into it, and the last, like this you have to keep one dot. Okay, how is it, kids? I enjoyed a lot. Hope you will enjoy a lot. So parents, please help them to do this activity, and this is your homework today. Okay, and I will ask you in next class. We are done with our activity. See, kids, our beautiful peacock. Now we have done with the thumb print, and the peacock got the feathers. See, how is it? It is very beautiful. I like. Yes, I think you also like. Yes, how is it? Now clap for yourself. Today we have learned about 4 birds, and we have done peacock activity. And kids, it's the class ending time. Shall we end our class? Yes? But before ending our class with a rhyme, start. मैं तोता हरे रंग का हूँ दिखता. मैं तोता हरे रंग का हूँ दिखता. चोंच मेरी लाल रंग की मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता. चोंच मेरी लाल रंग की मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता. मैं तोता नील गगन में हूँ उड़ता. मैं तोता नील गगन में हूँ उड़ता. फल सब्जी दाने खाता. मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता. फल सब्जी दाने खाता. मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता. मैं तोता टुमक टुमक मैं चलता हूँ. मैं मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता. टुमक टुमक मैं चलता हूँ. मैं मिट्टू मिट्टू मैं कहता. Clap for yourself. Kids, I think today we enjoyed a lot. Yes? Today you have learned one activity and 4 birds. It's a time to say bye. Have a nice day, kids. Bye bye.